Hello, ayan. So, siyempre wala pa rin tayong intro tapos bini-video ka lang 'to ng tuloy-tuloy. So, siguro magtaka ka, bakit pare-parehas yung damit niya, ta's wala naman nagbabago. Ayan, kasi isang take lang 'to, 'di ba? Ayan, so anyway, so we're going to talk about how to keep your business centers open. So, baka magtaka ka, bakit? Basta sasagutin ko lang siya in the next few seconds, 'di ba? Siyempre walang editing 'to, wala tayong time mag-edit-edit, basta bibigay ko na sa'yo yung information na kailangan mong malaman. Ayan. So, ayan, how to earn with your Usana business. So, number one, retail. Number two is commission through group sales. Ayan. So, the first retail income, ito yung short-term plan mo para mabuhay ka lang sa first few months mo. Ayan. So, ano, um, important yan kasi without the retail, ano, um, hindi ko alam. Baka lalaklakin mo lahat ng vitamins para mabuhay yung business mo. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga dito, as per experience, this is the smallest smallest income that you can earn with Usana. Probably you can earn 5,000 to 10,000 through retail, puwede, 'di ba? So, depende na lang sa'yo. I can share to you paano naman siya. So, sabihin natin 5,000, 10,000 every week. So, goods na rin naman yung iba para sa iba. Yan, so the idea here is buy low, sell high. So, the basic concept of any sales business, 'di ba? Of sales and business, basta parehas lang yan. Anyway, ayan, so first you can make a Facebook page where you can put some ads as your passive marketing. Okay, so sinabi ko ng passive marketing, wag kayo masyadong tutok sa Facebook ta's 'di ba, parang alok mo agad sa lahat ng friends mo, so hindi. Puwede naman basta they really trust you, okay? And so ayan, while you're getting that market, focus on the second way to earn. So paano 'yan? Ayan, so yan, it's making an organization of users, retailers, and organization builders like you. And for the delivery, you can use Grab, Lalamove, LBC, or personal courier. O ginawa ko, um, napapansin ng guard in the sa baba ng sa baba pala, sa baba ng condo, na parang lagi ako nagpapadala. Tapos nilapitan niya ako, tapos sabi niya, nagsa-sideline daw siya for Grab. So sabi ko, okay, sige, sige. So, then nag-usap na kami about the rates, ayun. Buti na lang mas mababa siya compared sa Lalamove and Grab, ayun. Tas COD pa yung transactions, ayan. So, meaning, he can collect the money for me and then I don't need to experience the traffic or the heat outside, 'di ba? Siyempre important na yung time natin. So, sabi ko nga dito, leverage on delivery services rather than spending your time through traffic. Unless pupunta ka talaga dun, 'di ba? So, remember that your time is really, really, really valuable and you need to be productive while leveraging on the delivery service. So, hindi naman puwedeng kunyari nagpadala ka ng LBC tapos wala, nakatunga ka lang. So, pagka gano'n nag-ubos ka lang rin ng oras. So, with that time, hopefully may ginawa kang something productive or sabihin natin puyat ka, ano, because nag-iisa na ka and also nagwo-work ka pa, ayan. So, puwede kang matulog. So, if you value sleep, you can sleep parang just leverage on the services. Ayan, so the prices, you can check it sa hub, nandun naman lahat 'yun, promise ang lahat ng kailangan mong malaman dun. So, 'pag may nagtanong sa'kin ng price list, kabisaduhin mo na lang yung price kasi kinabisado ko lang rin naman 'yan. So, 'yan, part of your task 'yan. Ayan, so sabi ko nga, the second way is commission through weekly sales, 'yan. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung explanation 'to, pero if you really understand yung ito, um, one step towards ka na sa first million mo. Okay? So, first of all, you need to keep your business centers open to be commission enabled. So, mamaya magtatanong sa'kin, bakit kailangan ayan, kailangan enable yung business center mo or kailangan mo magbayad or whatever. That's the point of any business. Kailangan may recurring sales ka kasi kapag wala, think of it as your rent as well. So, 'di ba? So, you can check yung Usana Hub and then sa apps rin, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So you can check the date. Yan, may nakalagay dyan na 10/9/2020. So that's the month. So October 9, 2020. Yan. So that means that my business center will be enabled until that time. It means hanggang dyan time pwede ako mag-income through that business center. Kapag hindi ako napagbayad, the points, yung 5,000 points, hindi ko pwedeng kitain yan and mabubura lang siya. Ayaw natin mabura yung points natin. Kasi every time that you see a point in your business center, that's a that's a chance na pwede kang mag-earn for that certain amount as well. Okay? So to enable your business center, you need to at least order 100 personal volume points. So paano yun? So parang tatlong essentials lang yan. Yan. Next naman to enable all of your business centers, you need at least 200 points within the 4 weeks. So that's six essentials. So pagka confused ka, ito lang yan. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ko rin naintindihan 'to nung bago ko. So that's really normal, yan. So sabihin natin yung personal sales volume mo within the 4 weeks is 100. So your one business center is enabled. Pero if your within the 4 weeks, personal sales volume mo is 200 points, all of your business centers will be enabled as well. Okay? So, question, what is it possible to split the 200 points within the 4 weeks? For the answer is yes. So, for example, yeah, week one, personal sales volume is 100. And so yung business center one mo is enabled. Business center two and everything, yeah, and everything. Two, three, four, whatever, disabled. And then second week, they can order, still your business center one is enabled for commissions. Now, week three, nagbayad ka for your personal orders, the 100 points. So, your business center one is enabled. And then, all of your business centers are able din. So, sa fourth week, enabled pa siya. Fourth week, enabled lahat na. Okay? So, after that, magsa-cycle ulit siya. So, nagigets ba natin? Kapag hindi pa ulitin mo. Yeah, so, I'm going to give another sample with dates na. Kaya, ayan. So, for example, for this date, September 18, ayan. September 18, I paid 100 points. So, my business center one is enabled. Diba? Next naman, on the October 2, diba? I paid 100 points. Tapos, enabled na yung ibang business centers ko. Ayan. So, pagdating ng October 16, I paid again para ma-extend naman yung business center 1 ko. Ayan. So, enabled pa kasi ito. Diba? So, next naman, as much as possible, ganyan na rin yung cycle mo. Alternating. Ayan. So, 100 points ito, nag-extend na naman siya. And then 100 points, nag-extend na naman siya. So, every time na nag-100 points ka, nag-extend yung 1 or yung 2, 3, and beyond business centers mo. Okay, so is it clear? So, the next question is, ano, when do I open my 3 business centers for commission enabled? So, I highly suggest that if you personally move at least 100 points every single week, um, enable mo na siya. Ayan. So how do you earn with the business centers? So we'll start working on your one business center muna, and then ano, we move forward to the 3 business centers kasi pares lang naman siya. Pero mas malaki income mo. Okay? So with this one, business center one, left and right team. So it consists of users, retailers, and organization builders. Same goes with the other side. So the idea here is the whole team creates a sale and the 100% of the points goes up left or right. Ayan. So for example, in your left team, sabihin natin after a few years, diba? So, okay naman. After a few months, may nag-order pa rin doon sa pinaka-ilalim. So, super layo na niya, super deep niya na in terms of your organization. Bumili siya ng isang essentials that still counted 34 points to you sa left, diba? So, that's the good idea about Usana kasi effort ng isang tao counted pa rin siya. Ayan. So example, let's say in your left team you have 1,000 points and then in your right team you have 2,000 points. So what you do is you get the small side, which is 1,000, and then you multiply it by 20%. So that's $200. $200 na commission. And then what we do is subtract the small side on each side. So naging zero na siya. So that's the rollover points for the coming weeks. Ayan. So that's ayan. So 0 plus 1,000 points. So yun yung tira. So now that now you need to know the minimum small amount, the small side is 125 points and the maximum is 5,000. Oh, bakit may minimum, bakit may maximum? Yan. So for the minimum, 125, para lang $25 yung kinita mo, di ba? Ang pangit naman kung $10 lang. So yan, so siguro nagbigay ng set minimum standard siya sa ano, parang you can earn naman na $25. So yan. Next naman, and that's for the week, late lang yan. Pero that's the start. You need to earn at least $25 every single week para ma-reach mo lang yung palaki na siya, palaki. Ayan, so the maximum is 5,000. So mamaya, bakit may maximum naman? So may maximum kasi kapag more than 5,000 na siya, parang that's the ano, parang tinatawag diyan is ano, eh, parang, safety net of the company. Kasi 'pag more than that, 'di ba, puwede ding ano, commission ka na lang. So, it goes to show that na ano, equal or parang may level na parang lahat pare-parehas lang. Kunyari 5,000 na 'to, pero sa baba mo mas magaling, eh, di mas malaki income niya kaysa sa'yo, puwede yun, okey? So, ayan. So, if you understand the One Business Centers, I mean, One Business Center, how it really works, I'm really sure na excited ka to learn the three business centers. So, ganito yan. So, ayan. So, Business Center 1, yun sa pinakataas, 3,000 on your left. I mean, so mamaya na yung points ha. Basta may position, the Business Center 2 is on the left of 01 and the 003 is on the right side of 01. Okay, ganun lang yan. So, since na-mention ko kanina na yung lahat ng points, it goes up, di ba? So, counted lahat din ng nasa baba ng Business Center 2, it goes up to the Business Center 1 left, di ba? Ayan. So, we need to compute the points here. So, what we do is get the small side of each points. Ayan. So, sabihin natin the Business Center 1, 3,000, Business Center 2, 1,000, Business Center 3, 1,500. And then you total it up and multiply it by 20%. So, the total amount is ano, $1,100 for that current week. So, malaki na yun, di ba? So, that's mean good income na. Yan. So, the rollover points will become 0, tapos 1,000 sa Business Center 1, Business Center 2, 0, then 1,000. Business Center 3, 0, and then 1,000. Ayan. So, natsambahan ko lang na 1,000 lahat na naging. Okay, so hindi ko sinasadya yan. Yan. So always make sure that you are commission enabled based on the date. Remember the dates. So para you can maximize the earning potential of your business centers. So please follow the phases that I will share to you to build the business, a stable business. Ayan. So, yan, your first milestone is earning $25. And then consistently earning your um, income and up to $100 every week. And then ayan, to reach your ano, 1,000 per week to a monthly income. Ay sorry, monthly $100 to weekly. Okay. So yun lang naman, that's the ano, this is a really short video rin. If you don't understand, hopefully ano, na gets natin. Pero kapag hindi pa, okay lang naman. There are lots of ano, videos that ano, explain kung paano ba nag-work yung ano, tawag dito, yung Usana. And this is just ano, another way how I explain it. So, hopefully marami kang natutunan with this explanation. And yun lang naman. And the next video will ano, it's about ano, getting your products at the discounted rate. So, probably iba na yung itsura ko bukas. I mean, sa next video. Kasi next day ko na siya record. So, yun lang naman. Hopefully, marami naman tayong natutunan for the first 2 modules. Ayan, so, um, kapagka marami kang natutunan, siguro i-upload ko siya sa YouTube, just comment down below and like this one. Hindi, joke lang. Just comment down and ano, um, makita ng mga tao na parang ano, interactive yung ano, yung channel na 'to. It's a secret channel. Ayan, so black market channel. Yun lang naman and have a good day and enjoy your Sana journey. Yun lang gagawin ko.